Welcome! In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to build a curated dashboard on the Healthy Salt Lake website. To begin, navigate to the Tools and Resources section and click on Build a Custom Dashboard. This will take you to a page where you can create a personalized dashboard tailored to your specific needs and preferences. Before we build an example, let's look at a couple of helpful features on this page. First, if you want to see a list of all available indicators, click the link labeled Indicator List page. This will open a list of all of the indicators in the website by location. Second, to view all curated dashboards already available on the site, click the Curated Dashboards button. There are two ways to build a dashboard. One, a filtered dashboard, the default view in this page. Two, a hand-picked dashboard, where you choose specific indicators to build your dashboard. Let's start with the hand-picked dashboard. Click the button that says Handpick Indicators. The page will update with new options. Now, I'll create a dashboard using this method. Let's build a dashboard around diabetes. I want to include all indicators with diabetes in the title. So, I type diabetes into the search bar and select all matching indicators. Next, I'll filter by location. I'll choose county and a zip code. You can scroll through the list or use the map view to select locations visually. You can also use drop-downs to select all census tracts or zip codes with one click. You can also filter by comparisons, subgroups, or sources. If you're unsure what a field means, hover over the info icon for a helpful tooltip. Now, choose how to display your dashboard. There are three options. 1. Group by indicator. This shows all indicators in order, regardless of location. 2. Group by location. This lists all values by location, regardless of indicator. 3. Indicator Location Summary. This shows where data is available for each indicator. Let's try Group by Indicator and click Search. Here are the results. The first indicator, Adults with Diabetes, has data for both the county and zip code. The others only show county-level data. Now, let's try Group by Location. Scroll up, select it, and click Search again. You'll see all indicators grouped by county, followed by zip code. Finally, let's try Indicator Location Summary. Click it, then hit Search. This view shows which indicators have data available at which locations. Let's say you want to create a filtered dashboard instead. Scroll up and click Filtered Indicators. This clears your hand-picked indicators but keeps your selected location. Now, I'll filter by topic. I type diabetes, select the topic, and click Search. The results are the same as before, since I previously selected all diabetes indicators. Once your dashboard is ready, you can share it with others. Click Save a link to this search. A box will appear with a URL. Copy and share the link with anyone you'd like. And that's it! You're now ready to start building your own dashboard on the Healthy Salt Lake website.